As Bitcoin bounces, on-chain data point to selling pressure near $113.6 thousand. BTC has recovered from sub-$108,800 alongside new highs in the S&P 500. As Bitcoin BTC $113,301.48 bulls aim to reestablish an upward price trajectory, they may face resistance from sellers near the $113,600 level, according to on-chain data. BTC has already bounced to $112,800 from sub-$108,800 levels hit Tuesday, CoinDesk data show. The bounce is likely fueled by a fresh all-time high in the S&P 500 and a better-than-expected earnings report by Nvidia, one of the largest publicly listed companies in the world by market value and a bellwether for all things artificial intelligence. The path ahead may prove challenging, as investors holding at a loss may look to sell into any price rebound. Currently, Bitcoin trades beneath the cost basis of both the 1-month, $115.6 thousand, and 3-month, $113.6 thousand cohorts, leaving these investors under stress. Any relief rally is therefore likely to encounter resistance, as short-term holders seek to exit at breakeven. Analytics firm Glassnode said in a report published Wednesday. Glassnode's cost basis metric reveals the average purchase prices at which digital assets have been acquired by wallets with varying holding durations. For example, the 3-month cost basis of $113,600 indicates that investors holding assets purchased within the past 3 months paid, on average, this price level. As of now, the spot market flows suggest an uphill battle for the bulls ahead, while ETF and corporate activity suggest otherwise. Spot demand remains neutral, as perpetuals tilt bearish with CVD negative. The current funding rate of 0.01% points to a fragile neutrality. If price breaks above $112.4 thousand with volume, it opens the pathway to $114,000 to $116,000. Timothy Mazur, Head of Research, BRN. That said, ETF inflows and corporate adoption of BTC continues to suck out significant supply from the market, offering a bullish hope, Mazur explained. ETF flows continue to strengthen with $81 million for Bitcoin ETFs and $307 million for Ether ETFs over the past day. ETFs, corporates, and governments are now absorbing 600 BTC/day, which translates to 4x miner issuance. Metaplanet announced a new plan to raise $881 million to buy $837 million BTC in October, adding to its 18,991 BTC, he noted. Should BTC turn lower, then $107,000 is the key support level to watch. That's because analysis by Glassnode shows that the 6-month cost basis is at that level. So, a break lower would prompt these holdings to sell, potentially causing a more profound decline. The 6-month cost basis sits near $107K. A sustained move below this level risks triggering fear, which could accelerate downside momentum, Glassnode said. Omkar Godbole is a co-managing editor and analyst on CoinDesk's markets team. He has been covering crypto options and futures, as well as macro and cross-asset activity, since 2019, leveraging his prior experience in directional and non-directional derivative strategies at brokerage firms. His extensive background also encompasses the FX markets, having served as a fundamental analyst at currency and commodities desks for Mumbai-based brokerages and FX Street. Omkar holds small amounts of Bitcoin, Ether, BitTorrent, Tron, and DOT. Omkar holds a master's degree in finance and a chartered market technician, CMT designation.